is street light. Okay, we assume this hardware is fully of street light. Okay, and this hardware is which has been connected on through a fiber optics, and it has been monitored. It is connected on computer. Okay, so this section is called fiber optics transmitter. Okay, and this is fiber optics cable. Okay, and this is fiber optics receiver. Okay, so from microcontroller to fiber optics, it has been connected on serial communication. Okay, from fiber optics to another receiver which is connected on through a converter which is connected to the computer. Okay, okay, so if I am going to switch off this kit, data won't come because now I switch off the fiber optics. I am proving that the data is sending from here. Okay, got it. Okay, so according to the data, this is if you have so many
sir, where data is not coming?
Just listen.
Okay.
That's what I told you. Just listen. This is a poster 1. Okay, this is poster 1. Okay, status on condition, intensity 0 0, and emergency switches in off condition, fault normal, no fault in street light, power consumption, voltage is 12 volt, current 0, power, this is how much watt, and energy is showing what. This is the things. It is sending the data from the street light. It has been getting the data from the street light and sending through the fiber optics, and from the fiber optics you are monitoring from the display. Okay, so according to the control, if I am going to detect motion, if any person is coming, motion is detected, then your light will glow. Okay, if light is on, it will show status as on. Okay, and also it will show the intensity. Okay, you can see the intensity. It is of 14%. If I am going to increase the intensity, if it is more dark, your intensity will vary automatically. Okay, if it is brighter, your intensity will be automatically varied, using a LDR sensor which is above the street light. Okay, and see, this is one sensor which is for motion detection. Whenever the motion is detected, automatically it will be the street light will be on. When there is no motion, street light will be off. All this condition will be monitored here. Okay, if the intensity is very high, above intensity, automatically your light intensity will be controlled. Okay, and if intensity is very low, if it is dark, the intensity will be increased. You are adjusting the intensity based on the intensity sensor. Okay, and you have a fault switch and emergency switch. For example, the street light is not being controlled automatically. Okay, you have an emergency switch. If you are going to on the switch, the sensors will be deactivated. It will not operate on sensor. It will be operated directly from the manual operation. So even my sensor is detected, it won't respond. Okay, it is called emergency switch. For example, any sensor is failed on the poster, the total street light will won't on light. So they are given a sensor called emergency switch. If you are going to switch on the emergency switch, all your sensor will be deactivated. Directly your street light will be controlled. It will be showing that street light status is on, intensity is 15%. If I am going to vary the intensity, intensity will be vary. Okay, then emergency switches in on condition, fault normal, no fault. Okay, and showing voltage, current, how much current the street light is coming, total var, whatever, total milliwatt, and total milliwatt energy consumption. Everyone wants to know what is the energy consumption is going on in every poster.